गो ग्लोबल इमिग्रेशन सर्विसेज (GGIMS) की टीम 2 अगस्त 2025 को साकेत स्थित द इल्यूशन में एक उत्साहपूर्ण वार्षिक समारोह के लिए एकत्रित हुई, जिसमें सम्मान, चिंतन और उत्साह का समान रूप से मिश्रण था। इस कार्यक्रम में विभिन्न विभागों के कर्मचारी पुरस्कारों, संगीत, नृत्य और प्रेरणा से भरी एक जीवंत शाम के लिए एकत्रित हुए, जिसने वैश्विक आव्रजन सेवाओं में अग्रणी के रूप में GGIMS की उल्लेखनीय यात्रा में एक और मील का पत्थर स्थापित किया। कई लोगों द्वारा वर्ष के सबसे भावपूर्ण आयोजन के रूप में वर्णित इस समारोह में पुराने टीम सदस्यों और नई प्रतिभाओं दोनों को सम्मानित किया गया और उन व्यक्तियों की सराहना की गई जिन्होंने अपने ग्राहकों को उनकी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय यात्राओं में सहयोग देने के लिए निरंतर आगे बढ़कर काम किया है। शाम का एक मुख्य आकर्षण पुरस्कार समारोह था, जहां विभिन्न भूमिकाओं के कर्मचारियों को उनके असाधारण प्रदर्शन के लिए सम्मानित किया गया। बहुप्रतीक्षित महीने का सर्वश्रेष्ठ कर्मचारी ट्रॉफी जोरदार तालियों के साथ प्रदान की गई, जिसमें न केवल निरंतर उत्कृष्टता बल्कि कंपनी के मूल्यों और ग्राहक सेवा मानकों के प्रति समर्पण को भी मान्यता दी गई। GGIMS प्रमुख स्थानों पर एक मजबूत उपस्थिति के साथ काम करता है, जिसमें जनकपुरी में 2 शाखाएं, साकेत, ग्रीन पार्क और बेंगलुरु में कार्यालय शामिल हैं। प्रत्येक का नेतृत्व अनुभवी पेशेवरों द्वारा किया जाता है जो परिणाम देने और असाधारण ग्राहक संतुष्टि सुनिश्चित करने पर केंद्रित हैं। कंट्री हेड सुश्री हिना खुराना कंपनी की रणनीतिक दिशा का नेतृत्व करती हैं, जबकि निदेशक श्री अनिल खुराना और श्रीमती संगीता खुराना दूरदर्शी नेतृत्व और आधारभूत समर्थन प्रदान करते हुए कंपनी के दीर्घकालिक विकास और मूल्यों को आकार देते हैं।
Hi, this is Hina Khurana and I'm country head of Go Global Immigration. I'm a representative of this company and today I'm here in Illusion by celebrating the annual celebration here. And it's a proud moment for me to gather all my employees and celebrating with them all, because ultimately in any organization comes up with the employees only. If any growth is being there with the company, it's all because of its employees. So I'm very thankful to all of them. And initially I have started this journey with only one branch, but now I have multiple branches available in South Delhi, West Delhi, Bangalore. We have multiple branches. We are expanding everywhere. And with a single motto, branches could be different, branches could be in different zones, but motto will be same, for providing a huge satisfaction to the customer, for providing them services what they come for, and fulfilling their dreams. Everybody have certain dreams which they have come across. They do come with me. I provide them the deepest knowledge as been possible and provide them fullest satisfaction. This is what my agenda is. So with this agenda, I hope in the coming years also I'll be with you and providing some more growth and development of my own company. And if you guys are looking for any immigration services, do come to us. I'll be there readily available to help you out. Thank you very much.
Hi, this is Milay Khan. I'm a senior expert in Go Global Immigration. Today is a proud moment for us. We are celebrating the annual day of our company. If you're talking about our services, we are in Canada PR, Australia PR and job seekers. And we deal for tourist visa all over the globe. So if you are interested, kindly contact us. And you are the part of the event, so join us and enjoy. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Namrata Gupta. I've been working as a branch manager in Green Park branch in Go Global Immigration. It's been a long I've been working with the company, and my experience with this company is amazing. I would say that if you are looking for any visa opportunities and to settle abroad, you should consult us on the given details below, and all the best for your future. Thank you. And I'm working as a client relationship manager at Go Global Immigration Services. So today's party is basically our annual day celebration, because our company have did very much growth, and recently we have won the award also from Shilpa Shetty. I was also there in Jaipur. So yeah, it's a very I feel very glad that I'm working with Go Global Immigration Services, and I want to go more further for it, and that's it for me. Thank you.
Hi, Aditi this side from Go Global Immigration Services. I am working here as a senior manager. I am with this company from the very first day, and I have seen the growth of this company, and now we are looking forward for more opportunities for people in the immigration services, like for multiple visas and next level visas. So looking forward to welcome you in our company as our clients. Thank you.
So hello everyone, my name is Priya. I serve as an assistant branch manager in Go Global Immigration Services Private Limited. We offer diverse services here, like job seeker visa, job assistance. We provide PR visa as well. So if you need anyone to connect on us, then you can. We are celebrating, we celebrating our annual function here, and we're happy to grow.
Ms. Jyoti Behel, and I'm working as a branch manager with Go Global Immigration Services. And it's very proud moment for all of us that we are celebrating our success here with all of you guys. I hope you will also be enjoying this moment with us. And I just want to tell you a few things only about Go Global Immigration Services. That first of all, this is a employee friendly company. We feel very safe, very light here in this company. We are trying to help and give the assistance to our clients who are looking for the abroad opportunities. And we really feel like a proud moment today that we are able to give our full-fledged services to our clients and helping them to reach their targets and fulfill their wishes. So congratulations first of all to everyone who have got the visas from our company and who are regularly getting the job opportunities from our company and making us proud as well by giving us hope and our trust as well. So first of all, next thing that welcome in Go Global Immigration Services, and enjoy everyone. Thank you very much.